All right. Why are my brakes squeaking or grinding?
Oh my goodness. You and everybody else. Big thing what we find with the brake noise is you think of your shower, you have a shower and condensation on your mirror. In the winter, summer, the moisture, you come home, you stop, you got your brakes nice and hot and this high humidity, all that moisture gets absorbed into the material. Your brake pads, your brake
Sure.
rotors, sits overnight. Now you got a little bit of a moisture barrier. You probably all heard it in the morning, that
For
first thing you
sure.
back out of your
Yeah.
driveway. Oh my God. And I call that's the anti-theft device because nobody's going to steal your car when it sounds like that. But first couple brake stops,
Yeah. And then it
and
goes.
then it goes
Yeah.
away. Are we picking up a bit of this moisture?